Hello little engineers, welcome to Fun with Robotics. This is Urmi speaking from Gobeshona Learning Academy. Today we are going to make a smart and fun project called Splash Alert, a water level indicator that can sense water and turn on a light to alert us. It's like giving our circuit the ability to feel water and respond instantly. In this project, you will learn how a probe detects the presence of water. You will see how an LED can be used as a visual alert when the water reaches the certain level. You will also learn how a resistor protects circuit parts and how electricity flows when water completes the path. This connects directly to real life uses like flood alarms, water tank overflow alert, and aquarium water monitoring system. Splash Alert is a simple but very useful electronic project. It uses a probe to detect if water is present at a certain level. When the water touches the probe, it sends a signal that turns on an LED light. When the water is not touching the probe, the LED stays off. It's just like having a guard who warns us when the water reaches the danger line. For this project, we will use a battery to supply power, a transistor, an LED, and resistor and copper tape or wire. So let's know about the transistor. What is transistor? It's a tiny superhero of electronics. It has three legs: base, collector, and emitter. When we send a small current into the base, it allows a much larger current to flow between collector and emitter. It's like pressing a small button that can start a big machine. What is resistor? A resistor is like a speed limit sign for electricity. It controls how much electricity current can flow through the circuit. In our project, it protects the LED from too much current. So this is a simple water level detection circuit using a BC547 NPN transistor and an LED and a resistor and a battery. So place the transistor. Remember the 3-pin collector, base and emitter. So connect the negative leg of the LED to the collector pin of the transistor. Then connect the positive leg of LED end of the 330 ohm resistor. Then connect the other end of the resistor to positive terminal of the battery. So the battery's positive connects to the transistor collector pin through a resistor and LED. Then the battery's negative pin is connected directly to the transistor emitter pin. Then connect one wire of the water probe to the base of the transistor. Again, connect the wire of the water probe to the positive terminal of the battery. So when the water touches both probes, the conductivity of the water allows a small current flow into the transistor base. So this turns the transistor on and the LED lights up. And that's how you can easily make a water level indicator with just one transistor. So as you learned in the previous slide, we can see that when the probe is dry, it cannot pass the signal, so LED stays off. and when the water touches the probes, it acts like a bridge of electricity, completing the circuit, and LED lights up. So the signal flows from the probe to the LED through a resistor, the transistor, and LED lights up. It's like the water is the switch that turns the light on. This is the water level indicator circuit. It uses just one LED, one transistor BC547, one 330 ohm resistor. The LED's positive is connected through the transistor, then resistor, and goes to the battery's positive. The LED's negative goes to the transistor collector pin and emitter goes to the negative or ground. A probe wire is connected to the transistor base. When water touches the probe, it allows current into the base, turning the transistor on and lighting the LED. It gives a clear visual signal when the water reaches the level. So let's get started. So this is how we can indicate water level, or we can monitor the water level of the water tank. So here are some applications or mini project that you can do with these circuits. So aquarium water alert. In this project, LED turns on if the aquarium water is too low or too high. Flood or water leak alarm. In this project, it warns if water is detected on the floor. Smart farming water level monitor. It's kind of project that alerts when water reaches the set level in a farm field or tank. Thanks for being with Fun with Robotics.